Namaskar, my dear divine family, and welcome to Panch Portal. I hope to God that each one of our dreams do come true. पंच पोर्टल एक ऐसा गेटवे है जो आपकी जिंदगी के 5 एरियाज के बारे में आपको बताता है। बिजनेस, मनी, रिलेशनशिप्स, योर हेल्थ एंड योर स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी। इन 5 पोर्टल्स के बारे में बताएंगे वीकली बेसिस पे मेरे यानी ट्रांसेंडिंग बिलीव्स के एक्सपर्ट्स फ्रॉम द फील्ड ऑफ मोक्ष पाठ।
Namaste dear friends, I am Shilpa Shah, a Moksha reader and an advanced Vastu practitioner. I am here to share an insight from the Moksha board on the realm of heart and mind harmony for the month of March from 16th to 22nd, 2026. As we approach the final session of the Panch Portal, I extend my deepest gratitude to all my viewers. In the realm of heart and mind harmony, the guidance from board encourages us to embrace neutrality, relieving negative thoughts and emotions that can block our emotional growth. By cultivating this balance, we not only foster our emotional stability but also enhance our resilience and well-being. This inner equilibrium allows us to respond to life challenges with greater clarity and compassion. This transformative power of maintaining harmony between the heart and the mind. By embracing this balance, we open ourselves to deeper self-understanding and profound connections with the world around us. Ultimately, by nurturing the harmonious state, we not only enrich our own lives but also contribute to peaceful and balanced collective energy. As a simple Vastu remedy, keep your work or living space clutter-free. Place small indoor plants such as bamboo or palm in the northeast corner of the room, which will enhance harmony and balanced state of mind. That is all for now. For further guidance, feel free to DM me. With gratitude, stay healthy, happy and wise.
Hi, welcome to our last episode of Panch Portal. Thank you all for watching and supporting the series. Your support means a lot to all of us. My name is Karishma and today I'm going to talk about Prospero Vitality for week 3, which is from March 16th to March 22nd. This realm is about your money matters, success and how you deal with it. Nowadays, people are earning money but without ethics. People are not thinking about the environmental damage caused by the greed to earn money. This also applies to the damage caused to our health by products used in the food, contamination, the ingredients that cause serious health damage. The board is guiding us that this week you need to earn money but ethically. Do not breach the trust of your people, as this will damage your relationships, peace and integrity. Do not take risk in investing money for fast returns. The market is volatile, so read carefully and take guidance from experts. You also need to take care of your health and not view your body as a machine and overwork it. Do not take your financial decision based on your ego. This week, your finances are good. There are opportunities, but you need to be careful and align your moral values. You need to support fair trade and sustainability for your finances. Invest in known and safe assets for steady and long-term growth as less risk. Keep up with your promises and honor your financial agreements. Remedy for you is to be in gratitude daily. Write 5 sentences daily for your financial income, stability and everything that you already have. Thank you.
मोक्ष पाठ एक ऐसी साइंस जो 12th सेंचुरी में ऋषियों ने बनाई to give you an idea of what life should be, of how to master yourself and to walk the path of practical spirituality. I never knew I could have my cake and eat it too till I met Mokshpat in my life. However, if you think Mokshpat is not for you, think again. Mokshpat hum sab ke liye hai. So if you are ready to welcome Mokshpat into your life, do comment on this video and let us know. We will get in touch with you with the correct information. Till then, enjoy the next few videos of Panch Portal and complete this week's reading, hoping it brings you all the wellness you desire.
Namaste. A warm welcome to all beautiful people who eagerly await the guidance from the Mokshpata board every week. I'm Shashi Sethi, bringing for you the reading for this week, that is 16th March to 22nd March 2026, for the realm of work energy flow. The guidance comes on a positive box of good tendencies. It tells us to maintain a balance between material and spiritual aspects. We need to stay away from indulgence in bad habits, or it will lead to physical and mental issues. If you ignore self-care, it will surely lead to burnout and reduced well-being, as well as stress and anxiety. At workspace, we need to delegate tasks, set goals, and overcome challenges, and make efforts to maintain a positive environment which will enhance productivity and lead to more opportunities for growth. Overcommitment and procrastination need to be avoided, and opting for a balanced approach will pave the path towards stability and harmony. The board guides us to embrace personal growth by cultivating self-awareness for genuine, interpersonal, and authentic connections. To improve the realm of work environment, we need to embrace necessary changes for business growth, which are infused with passion and which align with choices of our personal values and clarity on current taste preferences. The remedy which will suit everyone is deep breathing exercises and yoga. Signing off, this is Shashi Sethi, your devoted Mokshpata reader and trainer. Feel free to DM us for any further queries.
नमस्ते, मैं हूं मीनू, आपकी दोस्त, आपकी साथी. आई एम अ लाइफ कोच, divination expert and energy therapist. Today I am going to give you the guidance for the realm of heart connection from March 16th to March 22nd, 2026 according to Mokshpat board. The realm of heart connection represents your relationship with your loved ones. इस सप्ताह आपको थोड़ी रुचि दिखानी होगी अपने अपनों के प्रति, अर्थात जीवन की व्यस्तता से थोड़ा समय निकालकर अपने अपनों के साथ बिताएं. Show them some nurturance, compassion and empathy and take actions towards it. अपने स्वजनों की भावना को समझने का प्रयास करें और उनके साथ सामंजस्य बिठाने का प्रयत्न करें. इससे आपके संबंध और भी प्रगाढ़ होंगे. वो कहते हैं ना, हम ही हम हैं तो क्या हम हैं, तुम ही तुम हो तो क्या तुम हो. Meaning, togetherness is a divine blessing. Enjoy it with grace. As a remedy, you can wear a pearl ring on the little finger of your left hand. आपकी जानकारी के लिए पंच पोर्टल का ये अंतिम अध्याय है. आपने हमारी सराहना की और हमारा आत्मविश्वास बनाए रखा. हम आपके बहुत बहुत आभारी हैं. भविष्य में फिर किसी कार्यक्रम के साथ हम फिर आपके सामने उपस्थित होंगे. तब तक के लिए आज्ञा दीजिए. आपके संबंधों में नवीनता और मधुरता बनी रहे. इसी कामना के साथ विदा लेती हूँ. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. बाय.
Namaste Divine Souls, this is Alpa Aviti for the period of 16th to 22nd March 2026 for the realm of divine alignment. This week's energy supports inner corrections. There is a strong possibility that situation may arise which helps you see where you are aligned and where you need adjustment. Some old connections may reappear or certain conversations may happen again. This is not coincidence. It is divine timing giving you another chance. You may reflect on your words, your behavior and your reactions. You may realize that some things could have been handled with more maturity. Divine alignment does not always mean new beginnings. Sometimes it means correcting the old, clearing karmic misunderstandings and responding differently than before. You may feel guided to apologize, forgive or release guilt. When ego reduces, alignment increases. This week also asks you to observe how you look at people. Are you seeing them as a problems or as divine messengers sent to teach you something? If you are practicing any spiritual modality, follow it sincerely. Apply the knowledge in daily life. Alignment happens when thoughts, words and actions match. This week is to realign with truth, humility and higher wisdom. It is time for remedy now. Before sleeping, reflect and correct your intentions. Pray for clarity and forgive yourself and others. This is Alpa, a Mokshpata expert and guide, access bar healer, and manifestation coach signing off for now. Thank you. And yes, for personal guidance or one-to-one sessions, please message us directly. Thank you.
I hope this week's Punch Portal adds a lot of value and wellness to your life. If you have a question or if you would like to get a personal reading, do leave us a comment telling us the name of the professional you would like to work with. And remember, 2025 is a whole new slate to write on. So wish you a very happy new year and happy manifesting.